Hey guys, I wanted to show you my new shower head called EcoFlow. This is by a company called Showery, and I've had this old shower head for over a decade, okay, because I'm all about conserving water, especially when a family of four takes long showers every single day. And that's why I've held on to this one for years. It works great, it conserves water, but the only problem is it's got two settings, high and low, okay? Not only that, but my girls have been begging me to get a new shower head, and that's when I found EcoFlow. Now, EcoFlow conserves up to 35% of water, and it's got a lot more features than my old shower head, as you can see. I mean, just look at these mineral stones. This is something I've never seen before. I've never seen a shower head that would have these mineral stones in it, but what they do is they help purify the water and they get rid of all the toxins like chlorine, which damages your skin and it dries out your hair. And these stones also turn hard water into soft, okay? So the girls are really happy that their skin and their hair are a lot softer, okay? So let me talk to you about some other features when I get it installed. So let's go on to the installation. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to install the EcoFlow. Okay, first you're going to need some Teflon tape. You're going to need a crescent wrench, an adjustable, or you can use channel locks, okay, in order to get the old spigot off. And then for this shower head, Showery has a bunch of different adapters for each shower type, okay? This one happens to go with this regular spigot. All right, so I'm going to screw that on and then screw on the hose, and let me just show you how to do that as I fast forward the install. Okay, so it's really easy. You take off the old nozzle. You got Teflon tape on every connection. Be careful of putting the adapter in. Make sure the washer's in there and hand tighten it. Do not use tools on that because it's fragile. Next, you want to take the hose, put Teflon on that connection and a washer inside the hose. It comes with the washers. Put Teflon tape and then make the connection of the hose, okay? And then you do the same to the shower head and you're good to go. Okay, so now that you have the EcoFlow all installed, everything's tightened down, let's talk about the three modes, okay? Now you have jet, you have massage, and then you got rain shower. And it also comes with a really cool quick stop button here and to turn it on and off, which is great. And you're not going to lose any water pressure or you're not going to lose any temperature, okay? So I especially like using the jet, especially after coming off the yard, washing all the dirt off of that. And then I like to turn it to massage, which is a combination. It gets rid of all my stress, all the anxiety, and it increases my water pressure by 200% compared to my other nozzle, okay? Of course, the girls tell me that they like the rainfall mode, okay? It's relaxing, for washing their hair, getting rid of stress. Another great thing about the EcoFlow is the versatility of being stationary. You can put it on like this, all right? Or you can take it down to point at special certain muscles that you want massaged, okay? And if you have a dog like we do, it's so much easier to wash the dog, and it's less intimidating for her to get clean than the old shower head that I had, okay? So anyway, I think the EcoFlow shower head is great. My girls love it. We're happier and healthier by using it. And it saves water and it saves energy. Overall, it just makes me feel a whole lot better, okay? So I hope that gives you a better look on this shower head, and really appreciate it. Thanks.